Welcome to the best picks. The best air hose crimper is probably one of the most important tools for pneumatic systems, ensuring your air hoses are properly assembled and leak-free, saving you time and money in the long run. In this video, we will review the top-rated air hose crimper toolkits on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall performance to help you choose the best one for your needs, whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast. Number 5. IBOSAD Hydra-Krimp 71500. This handheld hydraulic crimper makes AC hose repair easier than ever. Its lightweight and portable design lets you work anywhere. Say goodbye to strenuous work. It crimps pipes and fittings quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for beadlocking fittings and barrier AC hoses. It handles a wide range of applications. This kit includes a full set of dies to cover hose sizes 6 SRB, 8 to 9 SRB, 10 SRB, 12 SRB, number 8, number 10, and number 12. You're ready for any job. Changing dies is a snap. They quickly and easily snap into place, no tools required. Always remember safety. Always wear safety goggles while operating it to protect your eyes. What we like. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go repairs. The easy-to-use design makes crimping a breeze, even for beginners. If you need a tool that's easy to transport and use in various locations, this is the one for you. What people say. I was able to line up each fitting, mark it, and crimp it with no hose removal. I used 3 different size dies to crimp the 3 sizes of fittings hoses. I evacuated the system and pulled almost 30 in HG of vacuum. That last picture was taken 24 hours after system evacuation, and as you can see, 0 vacuum loss. That speaks volumes for the quality of crimps you can expect from this tool. The crimps came out leak-free and most look good. Number 4. IG 71500 Hydraulic Hose Crimper. It's lightweight and handheld, perfect for any job site. Take it with you wherever you go for on-the-go repairs. Easily mount it to a bench or secure it in a vise for stable and accurate crimping every time. Its snap-on dies are quick and easy to install, saving you valuable time and effort. No pins or screws needed. It comes with a complete set of dies to handle a wide range of hose sizes, from number 6 to number 12, including reduced barrier hoses. Your safety is important. That's why it includes safety goggles to protect your eyes during use. Note that hashtag 8 SRB and number 6 dies are the same, just a different color. What we like. This crimper offers versatility with its bench mounting option for stability and precision. The snap-on dies allow for quick and easy setup, saving you valuable time. If you value both portability and precision, this is the ideal choice for your needs. What people say. Worked great, no leaks. Crimps look nice. Easy to use. Very easy to use. Worked great and I was able to crimp some fittings right under the hood. I just retightened the ones he did, got 2 new fittings to make 1 new line, there was really no thought to it. I pumped the hydraulics with one hand until I couldn't and it worked great. Perfect crimp every time. Number 3. Mophorn Hydra-Krimp 71500. This hydraulic hose crimper is built to last. Its durable aluminum alloy construction and high-hardness stamper ensure it can handle even the toughest jobs. It's made of durable aluminum alloy, ensuring its long life. The stamper hardness reaches 53 HRC, allowing it to withstand significant force. This handheld crimper features an integral hydraulic press for ease of use. It's designed with a pressure relief valve and a leak-proof oil cylinder for safety and efficiency. Setting it up is quick and easy. Just select the correct die, insert the pin, and turn the tool until it's snug. Then, pump the handle until it stops and you're done. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy for one person to use and carry. The included toolbox keeps everything organized and prevents parts from getting lost. It can be used on a workbench or in a vise. It's perfect for various applications, including automotive AC lines and beadlocking fittings. This crimper comes with 7 dies, covering a wide range of hose sizes. This ensures you're prepared for a variety of jobs. What we like. Built with durable materials and an integral hydraulic system, it's designed for long-lasting performance. The complete kit includes everything you need, reducing the hassle of sourcing additional parts. If you prioritize durability in a complete package, this is the best option. What people say. The tool was easy to use and I was able to fit it into my vehicle without removing the lines. It is good quality and works well. Easy to use, Air Hose Crimps look very good. All the dies are clearly marked as to reduced barrier or standard hose. Number 2. Hydra-Krimp 71500 Hose Crimper. This is the Hydra-Krimp 71500, your new go-to tool for precise and efficient hydraulic hose crimping. It's designed for ease of use and reliable performance. Its compact, handheld design makes it incredibly portable, allowing you to tackle jobs in any location. No more struggling with bulky equipment. Experience the power of hydraulic crimping. It delivers consistent, high-quality crimps every time, ensuring long-lasting connections. This kit is perfect for air conditioning repair professionals. It comes with everything you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Built to last, it's constructed from high-quality materials to withstand daily use. It's an investment that will pay for itself in time and efficiency. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find it easy to use. The intuitive design ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. Watch how effortlessly it handles various hose sizes and types. See the precision and power for yourself. What we like. This handheld hydraulic crimper is powerful yet easy to use. The blue color makes it easy to spot in your toolbox. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use hydraulic crimper, this is the one for you. What people say. Used this to install AC in my hot rod. Works well and no leaks. This is a very nice setup with a hose cutter and directions on how to use the tool. I'm a diesel technician, bought this tool to use for work, then modified my Dodge, moved my accumulator and made my own line set. Tool works perfectly. AC system has been working great ever since with all new lines crimped with this tool. Works really good being a handheld tool. You can make your crimps right on the machine if there is a reason you can't take the line off while you're making it. Highly recommend purchase. Number 1. AMZCNC 71500 Crimper Kit. It's designed for handheld use, making it easy to crimp hoses on the go or in the shop. No need for a bench mount, it's portable and convenient. This kit comes with dies for a wide range of hose sizes, including 5/16, 13/32, 1/2, and 5/8, with reduced barrier options. You'll have the right size for every job. The snap-on dies make setup a breeze. No tools or pins are needed, just snap them on and start crimping. It handles various AC hose sizes, perfect for automotive, HVAC, and more. It's the ideal tool for a variety of applications. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable and easy to use, even for extended periods. It's lightweight and easy to carry around. What we like. It delivers precise crimps every time thanks to its accurately sized dies. The snap-on dies make setup a snap, saving you time and effort. If you need a versatile tool for various applications and value precision, this is your best bet. What people say. Built well. Nice case. Easy to use. Tool works great. Very easy to use. The cutter worked great too. Easy to switch dies. Easy to use and worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.